Anyway, we're Joystick Fury. We're from Kutztown, Pennsylvania. This first song is a Floor Punch cover. It's called Change of Heart. Let's fucking go! You know the fucking words, come on. Summertime again, we try to hang on to a friend. Got the wicked stuff, trying to make a bet. I gotta go on this one. No, you made the choice in life. We all know. Summertime again, we try to hang on to a friend. Got the wicked sound, trying to make a bet. Go do it. We're gonna go on this way. Overlooking temperature each other at the city. No, you check. It's so bad. What the fuck did I do? No, you made choice in life. Something we all go through. Thanks. Yo, I feel you. Alright. We put out an EP a little bit ago through Rebirth Records. This is the first song from that EP. If you know the words, sing along. It's called Give It Up. By the way, not many shows happen now in this area, so respect the fucking venue, please. This song's kind of about that. It's called Mosh Champ. These next two songs are also kind of, anyway, here we go. This one goes out to Flip the Switch. Fucking lie! I can't report! I can never check! We hang out at the shows! It's what makes a friendship grow! Even through good and bad! Time to jump! Time to stand! Make sure we're not back! be positive for yourself when you can use our own. Thanks. This one goes out to all my friends from Kutztown, which is like a couple, but I don't care. This one also goes out to all the guys who helped Kutztown thrive back in the 90s before it died. But anyway, this one's K-Town Mosh Crew. Thank you. Alright, this one's about cliquey motherfuckers who didn't play the Lehigh Valley when we were a small scene. And now that we're doing well, they want to play our fucking shows. Not cool, man. Anyway, this one's called Late to Last. Where did you go first? When you had a problem with it didn't come to us because we were your friend. Now you come complaining. You want to play our shows? Where are you? Then didn't you the fuck? Yo, I see it didn't last. You came to us so fast. That's cool enough. But now it seems to change. The scene is slowly dying, so you should not complain. Everything that mattered, you could have said to us, but now it's fucking shattered. You're right with the time. I'm safe. But I don't feel the same. No, you don't even see. This all happened then. What was said before? But just happen again. Know what you see. But your attitude is so strongly inside. You are not mine. Thank you. I was excited for Negative Force. That's the best fucking band from New Jersey. I don't care what anybody says. Fight Back. I love those guys. Fucking Flip a Switch. I don't know if I should say anything because I'm in that band, but cool people. Fucking Suicide Eyes. Holy shit. That's a fucking hardcore band. All right. We got two more. This is called To an End. Side to side. Go! Just be guilty! Whoa! Quit! Attack my head and fire some bullshit! God, you just own up to your mistakes. Double down and call us all big. Now you can't, but you don't, nothing to help, and you won't do yourself for you too. Does ever mean something to you? I never. Red! Oh, God must end. Don't you? So I know it's true. Some of the kids are like you. So quench on your revenge. Time has come to an end. Thank you. Before we play our last song, I want to say something. I grew up going to Kutztown. I didn't make many friends. I was bullied growing up. I didn't really see much in Kutztown. But then when I found this band, it changed my whole view on the town. It changed my fucking life. So if you know the words, sing along. Don't be shy, come the fuck up. This one's by Atari. It's called Up Front. Come on! Up front! Yeah. Don't sing along. Music has no feelings, but the kids that really care. Throw your way together. Stick together, and this is what we'll never let fall apart. To fall apart. Down your neck, so let's do it right. So the rest won't give down, not without a fight. Don't do it just versus you. Got the same ideas, just different crews. Go! Up front! That's where you belong! This song's for all of us, so let's all sing along. The music and the feeling, the kids that really care. Throw your weight together, as long as we're aware. Let's stick together. And this is what we'll never let fall apart. To fall apart. Thank you for Joystick Fury. We have CDs and shirts in the back, but buy all the other band's merch first. Fight Back is next.